Ho Chi Minh Emergency Center 115 has launched a pilot program, Smart Emergency Operating Center. Using smartphone, patients and their family can easily contact 115 Center, know the estimated time and distance, quickly receive further advices. Meanwhile, doctors can know in advance the patient's situation via health history record and medical report, give consultation via video live stream. The pilot program basically meets the needs of the emergency services at 115 to reduce administrative procedures, saving time declaring patients' information, updating patients' location and status, data input in touch screen, or event using voice recognition instead of handwriting. After the pilot implementation, I found that all the information of the people calling to the Emergency Center 115 were completely digitized and processed very professionally from the people's input call to the hospital and the satellite hospitals. So very quickly, the travel time, immediate support first aid advices, and the preparation of emergency crew. Let's visit the Smart Emergency Operating Center and go through the process to handle an emergency case. People in emergency can dial to emergency hotline and immediately caller's basic information will display on dispatcher's screen if this is the first time calling. The information could be more detailed from second call onward based on their call history, saving time for asking personal information. Dispatcher handles the call and note the patient brief, the situation, location, patient health record, and may guide some first aid remotely while waiting for the emergency response crew to come. The process must be fast. The application can support dispatcher to fill the information quickly and more accurately. The dispatcher can create emergency case and all information could be sent to emergency response crews' specialized smartphones where they can quickly review the information and confirm to handle the case by clicking a button. Now wrap things up and ready to go. The map feeder is helpful to show the patient's location, the traffic status, and find the shortest route to the scene. At the same time, the map is also available in the Emergency Operating Center, showing all the emergency response crews and the ambulance as well as their status. A dashboard lets operators know if the crew, ambulances are in the case or available to take new one. Using the mobile application, the crew could make calls to patient's family to identify more detail about patient's health status to get full scope of situation, give first aid advices and calm them down, explore the nearest hospitals. An important step with external emergency cases is to fill in the medical report remotely. Information required may include updated patient status, the exact symptoms, the health history records, treatment taken in the ambulance, tools, medicine used, and other requests from patients and their family. In case of hospitalization needed, the crew selects the hospital to send the patient to. After the crew finishes updating the form, medical report at the same time is received at the Emergency Operating Center and the hospital. Information coming in advance helps to reduce time of paperwork and diagnosis. The medical report can be viewed in printable form easily. Doctor review and sign to confirm the completion of the emergency case. More facilities and free, the Smart Emergency Operating Center by LCS has proved to be effective and is in the roadmap of Ho Chi Minh Smart City.